Hello everyone. Today we start with chapter 5, plant reproduction. Today's our topic is fertilization and seed formation. Here you can see the picture. In this picture we can see the different parts, different things, pollen grains, pollen tube, ovule, ovary and egg. All these things help the process of fertilization. As soon as a pollen grain lands on the stigma, a pollen tube grows out of the grain. This pollen tube carries the male gamete or male reproductive cell. The pollen tube grows into the style to reach the ovary. The ovary contains the ovulus. Each ovule contains an egg. The pollen tube enters the ovule and releases the male gamete or male reproductive cell. The male reproductive cell fuses with the egg to form a zygote. This process is called fertilization. So what is a zygote? A zygote is the fertilized cell formed after the combination of a male and female gamete. So what is fertilization? The fusion of male and female gametes, means male and female reproductive cell, leading to the formation of a zygote. After fertilization, the zygote develops into an embryo inside the ovule. Upon further development, the embryo forms a baby plant. The ovulus grow into seeds and the ovary grows into fruit. Next topic is structure of a seed. The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. The seed gets water through a tiny hole on the seed coat. The leaves present on the seed are called cotyledons. These store food for the baby plant. The baby plant uses this food till it grows its own roots and leaves. Once the food in the cotyledons is used, the cotyledons shrink and fall off. Shrink means to become smaller and it fall off. So the structure of a seed we can see seed coat, seed hole and seed leaves and embryo. So what is the use of the seed coat? The seed coat protects the seed and seed hole allows air and water to enter the seed. Then we can see the seed leaves. Seed leaves store food for the baby plant. Embryo grows into a new plant. Next topic, germination. The seeds grow into new plants under the right conditions. These conditions are the presence of air, light, warmth and optimum amount of water. In order to grow a seed into a plant, it needs a lot of things. That they need air, light, warmth and water. If these conditions are fulfilled, a seed grows into a seedling. This process of growing of a seed into a seedling is called germination. So what is a germination? The development of a new plant from a seed under the right environmental conditions. That means a seed, from a seed a new plant is growing under the conditions of or by the help of light, water and sunlight, all these things. If they are getting all these things properly, then a seed develop into a seedling. This process is known as germination. Okay. So today we have learned about fertilization and structure of a seed and germination. So read this chapter, page number 48 and 49, and draw the structure of the seed and also germination in the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.